How do you know if you actually know what's going on? How do you know your perception's just not off? If you don't have to think about it. You're exactly right. In fact, if you look down the board, I put it down. But if you know, you think less, right? If you don't know, you think more. And you can see the characteristics of each. The thing I like to point out is, if ever you're stressed, it means you don't know, which means whatever you're thinking, is it accurate or inaccurate? It's inaccurate. All of our fears come not because of what's going on, but because of an inaccurate idea in our mind. Isn't that crazy? Because if it was accurate and we actually understood what was going on, it would be simple to us, we wouldn't be thinking, and we wouldn't be stressed about it. Isn't that crazy? So as soon as you get stressed, what does that immediately tell you? What does that tell you? It's inaccurate, and you got to get more information. There's something that you're not seeing about it, right? Now, the reason I bring this up is because it's easy to realize you shouldn't be stressed, but it's really tough to get your body and your mind to be able to calm down and to not worry about things. One of the things that helps you to be able to calm down is realizing it's going to be okay. A lot of times we don't realize that, all of our worries and whatnot, we're fearing that we're inadequate. Like Tarzan, he's feeling he's inadequate. And what the mom was trying to do, right, wasn't saying that you're just like me in terms of you're an ape, but she's trying to help Tarzan realize what? You're okay. There's no issue. And I started to realize when I was younger in life, I didn't realize how okay I was. Because little things would get me thrown off. Like, I remember one time so it was for this huge meeting, like 400, 500 people there. And I was doing something as like, one of the ushers or something. And a lady's like, hey, your zipper is like not zipped up. And so I was looking down, I was like, oh my goodness, my zipper's not zipped up. I was like 12 years old. I was like so embarrassed, I remember. I remember looking around, trying to get my zipper zipped up without anyone seeing me. And it was like the whole day I was like so embarrassed because of it. But I didn't realize that as I got older, I started listening to people around me. And like I started hearing these stories about these grown men, right, in professions that like one guy was this like developer of malls. So he's like a millionaire. And he's like talking to me about one time he went to the bathroom and his white shirt got stuck like in between it and how embarrassed he was because he came out, right? And people are looking at him, he's like, what's going on? And then he looks down and he sees the guy's white shirt stuck in his zipper, right? And he's going to a business meeting. And then I started to realize, man, like everybody does this stuff. And when you're younger, you might not realize that, right? It's because in our minds, we're thinking like what's normal and everything, but we never know. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video and you want to see more, press the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and we'll answer them in future videos.